Assalamu alaikum children, how are you? This is your English class and I will start my class with this dua. As'alu Allah al-Azim, Rabb al-Arshil Azim, ayyashfiyaka. मैं उस अजीम रब से सवाल करती हूँ जो अर्श अजीम का रब है कि तुझे शिफा दे. May Allah protect all of you from this pandemic. Children, today we will read, write and understand the story with its moral lesson. Children, these are fiction stories. These are designed for the students to give them moral lesson and to teach them moral values. Students, some of the moral stories are mentioned through the medium of animals. You know that animals cannot speak and understand, but they are only used symbolically to make the story interesting and understandable for the children. This is a story of a thirsty crow. Once, a crow was very thirsty on a very hot summer day. He flew here and there, but he couldn't find water anywhere. So it sat on a roof of one home, being hopeless. Then it saw a pitcher in a garden, but the pitcher had very less water. It saw some pebbles near the pitcher. It threw some pebbles in the pitcher one by one. The water rose up. It drank the water and then flew away. Children, this is a story of a crow who didn't lose its heart and used its mind to come out of the problem. So, the moral of this story is that there is a will, there is a way. The problems can be solved if we have strong determination. Now learn this story and write it also in your neat notebooks. Now I am going to show you the written story as a whole. Story: A Thirsty Crow. Once a crow was very thirsty. एक दफ़ा एक कौवा बहुत प्यासा था. On a hot summer day, गर्मियों के एक दिन, he flew here and there in search of water. वो पानी की तलाश में इधर उधर फिरा. But he could not find water anywhere. लेकिन उसे कहीं भी पानी ना मिला. At last he reached in a garden. आखिरकार वो गार्डन में पहुंचा. He saw a pitcher in a garden. उसने गार्डन में यानी बाग में एक घड़ा देखा. He was very happy. वो बहुत खुश था. But there was very little water in it. लेकिन उसमें बहुत कम पानी था. His beak could not reach into the water. उसकी बीक जो है यानी उसकी चोंच उस वाटर तक नहीं पहुंच सकती थी. He saw some pebbles. उसने कुछ पत्थर देखे. He thought a plan. उसने एक प्लान सोचा. And threw these pebbles one by one in a pitcher. और उसने वो पत्थर जो है वो एक एक करके उस घड़े में डालना शुरू कर दिए. The water rose up. वो पत्थर डालने से पानी घड़े में ऊपर आ गया, ऊंचा हो गया. He drank water and flew away. उसने पानी पिया और उड़ गया. Moral: God helps those who help themselves. यानी कि खुदा उन्हीं की मदद करता है जो अपनी मदद आप करते हैं. Where there is a will, there is a way. अगर आपकी नीयत साफ़ हो, अगर आप मेहनत करना जानते हैं तो आपके लिए रास्ते खुद ब खुद बनते जाते हैं.